Okay, we have received a question that what would the process be if I want to upload my manuscript written in LaTeX? So the process is similar. If you're uploading a LaTeX file, make sure that you have all the necessary files like .bib and .sf file. What are the nomenclature files required for LaTeX submission? Make sure you have all those files and make sure to choose the manuscript item type for each LaTeX file which you are uploading. So this is the simple step to build a LaTeX file to see the PDF being built successfully. Also, one another tip is don't share any file paths while you're uploading your LaTeX file. Avoid using file paths in your LaTeX codes so that there isn't any error taking place when you upload your LaTeX file to the system. And we have received another frequently asked question is it mandatory to always upload the cover letter, conflict of interest and other documents as docx files? You can just read the guide for authors for this. So the guide for authors will mention the required file type. Most journals will allow PDF files. Some journals might also ask you to submit it in a Word format. So it is better to read the guide for authors before choosing the file type to upload the particular file. Some journals will prefer the file in Word format so that it is used properly for the publication purpose. So there is another question like if I realize that there is a mistake in one of the author's email after approving the submission, what should I do? If it is being already being submitted, you can just contact the support team, support@elsevier.com. They will try to help you to fix this issue. So in the chat we'll also mention the email address for the support team. If in case there is some issue after submitting to the journal, you can just provide the details to the support team. They will help you to fix the issue. There is a question like if the submission process the same for all journals, like the submission process in such you will be login and you will be selecting the article type, uploading the files. These steps are similar. However, the general information which you're providing, the additional information and other details varies from journal to journal, so you need to read them clearly before proceeding each milestone. Like in the general information step, there might be different types of requirements based on the journal's configuration. As mentioned in the additional information section, you might be able to see different types of questions which varies journal to journal based on their requirement. Other than that, the upload process and the bill process are similar. So there is a question, can I upload the manuscript as a PDF file if I encounter difficulty compiling and setting up files? Could you please provide where I can find a step-by-step guide for this? Yeah, I will also show you one useful link, which is the author guide. The link for the author guide will be shared to you in the chat section. You can just bookmark it. So if you face any issues in the PDF build process, again you can just contact the support team. They will help you to rectify the issue and build the PDF. Sometimes users might encounter like the PDF is not process is not completed, it is just showing building. So on if you face such scenarios, you can get in touch with the support team. They can just look into the issue and try to fix it on your behalf. So these were some of the frequently asked questions. I hope you found it useful. That brings us to the end of our webinar today. Thank you for listening. We hope you found the session valuable.